Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Edge 50 Neo and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, tap on your game selection maybe and choose your photo on the right corner, where we must open settings. In it, family, parental control, and as you can see now we have page 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To change it, tap it. Now enter your connect pin to your parental control, confirm by OK, and choose new more than page 3. Maybe allow all included underrated, confirm by got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.